The silence of the golden cage. The hook. A wound on the body heals in a week, but what happens to a heart bruised by silence? The habit. Arjun lived in constant noise. Nights were spent scrolling through perfect lives. Days were filled with unwanted gossip. Slowly, without realizing it, his mind became a dumping ground. The suffering, even in a room full of family, he felt invisible. Laughter surrounded him, but never reached him. He stopped caring about his health, his food, his body. And silently, he slipped into loneliness. The breaking point, one small mistake at the bank. But his mind exploded with fear. What will people think? What if I fail? For the first time, he couldn't trust his own decisions. The unexpected voice, a stranger, noticed his trembling hands. He didn't judge. He simply said, "It's okay to ask for help. Even the strongest pillars need support." The courage to speak. That night, Arjun chose courage over silence. He spoke to his father. He expected anger, but received understanding. His father didn't control him. He respected him. And that moment changed everything. The turning point. Arjun made a decision. Not to escape life, but to rebuild it. He replaced noise with silence, gossip with prayer, weakness with discipline. The new life. He walked away from toxic conversations. He chose clean food, clean thoughts, clean habits. Because he realized, what you feed your body shapes your mind. The freedom. His loneliness didn't disappear because people changed. It disappeared because he changed. For the first time, he felt peace within himself. Story meaning. Depression grows in comparison and noise. Peace grows in discipline, clarity, and courage. Silence is not your enemy. Uncontrolled thoughts are. Grammar. Instead of, versus, in spite of. Instead of, use this for a choice. Instead of choosing noise, choose peace. In spite of, use this for an obstacle. In spite of the darkness, keep moving forward.
Sloka, Lalita Sahasranama, verse 1.
Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chitagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata.
Sloka meaning, the Holy Mother, the Great Empress, who sits on the glorious throne. She who emerged from the fire of pure consciousness to fulfill a divine purpose. Meditate on this inner power to burn away your fears. Advanced English. The ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Example, real strength is not avoiding pain, it is the resilience to rise after it.
Thirukkural.
ஓரால் உற்றபின் ஒல்காமை இவ்விரண்டின் ஆரென்பர் ஆய்ந்தவர் கோள்.
Thirukkural meaning.
To avoid failure when possible, and to stay undaunted, not afraid, when it happens. This is the path of the wise. GK, global happiness is not measured by wealth, but by social support, mental well-being, and health. Life message, your mind is your home. Protect it from noise. Feed it with peace.
Call to action. If you are fighting a silent battle, You are not alone. Stay, listen, heal, subscribe to our channel, because sometimes one story can save a life.